isa ana bina ka atu ana bina be kimni ban dona be tokka boli mana mata ni kuwa singa moniti dotale singa boli gravite ba bimbi berna luben dana kena morto tantu kana singa na tebo ko buli
Iya.
enan dotale tabi singa gravitabi baga buli na bakiongo
Dor bobna kele wer rabi tal libu nabi tangi tangi nabi moko era mata so na era bendre so era lili buna liku nei nasi na nona video era ka tu nabi na kere e ko mo tsugo batanga ki au kuni la ko vale kuni si vale war ki utsuga ni le sunu buli so na vosse ni be ba mene so era tau me da walo nganga tikir lu bet bombi bir na sengai buli ba dua ena kindi ka bombi bitel nga bir na ngole ni na bi kordi buli du rimbure era mata ka binang di kuah
Robin Lee Remeds.
Iya.
Boleh nak kiora from New Zealand. Apa fetalaba hai.
Tamu gori, ko mambulu siguri tadi ruah. Dole suba.
Iya, dong boleh binaka. Silina William boleh binaka yang ratan deh yang ramu muatu. Silina William.
Era binaka.
Boleh binaka. Rosini ngau, era binaka tinayabu. Kono ni binaka kuni bengkara.
O ka tu kuno cuma era binaka tamayabu. Kono beso taka sudah katudo ko.
Sombo. Orang bisa wala nga may entra mata tu.
Beke mto may balle, mto biti tu mono isulu ko.
Itu pemelubet. Dong bulan.
Bina katora na mata ka totoka di kuah na kera na makile sibuli ber lubenda. Aso nabi soendre sarang nabi talatal. Berarti so sa do matu ngaro tu bale. Ya ni kuah. Na imate di sigri bul. Sase de? Oke, bina ka ja en mosi ele waziri wa yana binaka may American Samoa to simi American Samoa and matani pingarab ko yana binaka wise tu bukana pagod binaka by CB and Grace Matisao boleh tonggo munru sa yan rea uranga ngo awa minibus may no sori kisuba and matani ko yana binaka CB hindi tagdi wana na butur bito kani o Juliet Margaret Kadi Sally Indoy yana binaka yana mataka ndi singa mondi tibna kani ko ay tamayaw.
Iya naman may kumulibaan doon bitaw kay bulman mata ni ko may kumulibaan doon ang wala na buni 14 ko ni Fiji bitan nawa ka 7.
Iyo.
Abang biberto na kada to may namata timin ni uli na kau.
Iyo.
May kumulibaan timin ni ko italkina.
Right.
Kapan na to kami doon kada to go, daw muli kada sara na salika ka baraga ngara bitepel.
Oti.
Oh, why di buhaus?
Oh, permanent.
Kaya ambak yung bulman ka maramataw.
Iyo.
Abang ni bibina na buni grabe saking tamay lote.
Iyo.
Yan binaka.
Karena kasi terek sikbo lolo matuyani UK hen na matag di ko nimbul benaka na lubibiti di sabasab tu pagaya may pertani na matag ni be ingara vendai ar benaka go turangan night na muli tokani singa tambu di ko tomba o San Francisco be mama tiuri tiri kantor matako ratu nai saratu ni bahi lele tol bena turangan chona di korro ar benaka mataka go kiro bar tala bisola na ke walu ende un bokoro mbuna tinai tamana ar benaka sai ar benaka bulu tokan na matag di ko rosiningau isa tamayavu ke sambiu mai tuba nomu isulu ese tungango tuku mando toru chubi bertura bitina ni boy
sengai au dana kana kena ndo musitio na maramango bale toko ka bakame ndona batu pa me batu ni ayan
ke bakame ndona batu ruana kera manu
batu ya
oke binaka diko na show ya na matakende na budi aus palangi show elek-elek sar binaka wanga tambu bronco matakende o resi eta o Luisa Mburongo lewu er mataka di kuah tumbu dorbe susu beki menangani buli beki menandabi tolili ena ki heje factory na ito kiri torosese e borong mer mataka di kuah andra bulu manaka mata binaka Melina Lewu.
Melina Lewu, thank you for being part of our life this morning. We would like to thank each and everyone from Australia. Thank you for your life and also to our Scorpion King, the one and only Scorpion King, for being alive this morning and say hi to everyone.
Aruna kay Nakagu. Mga binaka na matagli ko chichia na uwe dan binaka bio kani kalunga tasingri ko lolo malago ka may mbukuya. May volosare.
All the way from the mountain.
Aruna kate da ta fui turva rosiningau meani taki ko nga o turanga tau.
Kelas.
Maka biyo kuntor kawai kubunta kacu. Sianga, already ko brada. Na solution chungubia, already chuna mate teni matam. Already na lawa kita lew tu biyo kunta mesi. Wawa. Na lawa kita na biyo lo mataki, na bosa lasu, na biyo intambui, iku masa lega kosong ako.
Lega kosong na lawata.
Wawa, dura ko normal de Joe, bebeta sau, go may align Abu Dhabi, may Dubai, na matakal ni kuat. Kerana tama bita may imbulay, matake waya. Nepote katri tambua, na mati tu nonda benua, kasih macam may Dubai. and mataka binaka. Okay. Ouch is a breakdown this morning. Tutuma chumbe kana bitina na mataka di kuasa out sarang ako na masimay sa.
Karena me botu menu baka sama santin tinggal tahu na udah.
Esa
ngeka.
Kunto bangori. Kunto bangor tamaya.
Sama so sanga may laki na dari kawa.
Iyo.
Sa da sa understand.
Kalas marage. Okay, natal ni ko membal tanga entono turanga.
Iyo.
Turanga rere.
Iyo.
O change laki bunau, sarage planta kana dorbo.
Iyo.
Ni sa o chine lubuni to taka chuna yang kona ni lubuni tai.
Iyo.
Sa butona banua, menangoni bale merage planta ka merapa kare ko.
Iyo.
Mai.
Okay, this is a story.
Take it away.
This is a story about one pastor.
Iyo.
He used to go to church, but in his living life,
iyo.
all the community there, they knew this fella got the talent of writing.
Okay, the boy who was afraid.
Who was afraid.
Right, iyo.
And later on, when after the preaching,
the
topic there, no frightened.
Oi, not a seven.
Don't afraid. No frightened, don't afraid. Everybody in the community know that this fella is a frightened fella.
Right.
He always afraid. He took everywhere he goes. Afraid. When he was preaching in the preacher.
In the church.
In the church.
Yeah.
And he was like this. Today, our topic today, based on frightened. When we are coming to church, no, we don't have to afraid. We have to be brave. We have to be courage. We have to be
strong.
We have to be overcome the frightened. Later on, the people down there, the youth, they was talking to each other. Hey, this fella is true. Because everyone here knows this fella always afraid. Anything
the fella preaching afraid, but the fella is afraid.
Every grog session he can go lonely. He have to take one of the member of the grog session. He have to take one member of the grog session to go. But this fella was being invited to come to another church. He was
far away from his home.
Far away, kilometer.
Kilometer
away from his home.
Right. Okay. Right.
He was riding his horse.
Right.
And this horse don't use rope.
No.
For frailing.
Frailing.
Then he was used the right one.
Right.
But we have to wear the head. Wear the head of the frail to the head of the horse.
Right. Right.
Then later on, that the youth was there. They drinking the grog after the preaching. We have to
lubritai.
Remove the necklace.
Warna moja nambongi. This fella. For that fella. Right.
But after the grog session, the youth was there. Hey, this fella, we have to
do something.
Every time he was here.
To test his afraidness.
Afraiding the temper of his afraidness. Then the boys where the fella tied his horse. The boys was there.
Right.
The boys was there. And
waiting for him.
You know, they already talked to each other. This fella must be
today
we will see the pan. Then one of the youth come accompany this fella. Accompany this fella. As soon as he reached where the horse was, the fella, hey, no, I have to go back to bring my Toshiba.
Touch.
I won't come back. And the fella decided to go alone.
It was dark, Demis.
It was dark.
Oh boy.
That place where the horse was. They used to hear the crying of the babies. The owner of that Bunivi was there.
Right.
That place is full.
And this happened around what? 11:30 p.m.
And
almost midnight.
Almost midnight. And the youth was like this.
Oh, making sound.
Making sound. The sound of the baby. They use what you call the spray?
Detergent.
They use that one. They, and they cause some
sound effects.
Sound effect. They blow the suki smelling. And the fella, the hair from the body will start to stand up. So the fella not yet, that was not yet where
the fry.
And the fella start to hang. Jabo. 1, 2, the horse run.
So the afraidness was riding him before he ride the horse.
Yeah, they both double.
Yeah.
The
afraidness
and the preacher.
Yeah. The afraidness was riding him before he ride the horse. Okay, set.
Like the horse running like 1 kilometer away from the home.
Yeah.
From the house.
He called her.
He called her. Randini! Open the door! Open the door! But the house got three doors.
Three doors,
Three doors. And the Randini was there to open all the three doors.
And the three doors all facing the other side.
The other side. They were afraid of this Mala and can't control the horse because no prayer was in
all the demons was riding him.
Yeah, and the running past the house.
Yeah.
Past the house.
And the hair of his arm
flew away.
Randini, please, Randini, help me.
Help. And due to the speedness of this horse, he passed the house.
So the host was afraid.
Afraid because of the
afraidness of the owner.
Because of the making. Because of the making. He knew the devil is faster. Is faster than the owner. He was running past the house. And Randini, where's the house? Randini, where's the house? And the Randini said,
you pass the house.
You pass the house. And the father said, you bring the house. Sabi ni Mama ko sa pusta ka na balik. Sa rumah ka rumah. Randini, hindi ka balik. Kamutan mo kasama talaga ng tong memory. Hey, ano sa pusta ka na balik? Sa kaya, lahat ng memory na balik.
Hey, tutu. Hey, ano ba kay Obi Bill kamu lesian raboni yang masih dola. Sa kada coba kada matangani ko. Eu sa homestay tu mantang kada matangani ko. Juliet Margaret Kadi so ni ano ba ka. Kira talaga kada matangani bin karam ni ko. Be Shahir Ali ano ba ka se. Ulit tunggu, and Robin to you guys, love you guys. Stream from Matangi Island Resort. Shahir tayo na Sharon, Vateke Flora, and Matangi ko Sambu. The fella was full of demons, eh?
Yeah.
So the fella was afraid.
Afraid.
And the host was afraid.
Afraid. When afraid to go together, he goes to fighting.
Yeah.
Sila nila binabalik. Siya na binabalik.
Iya.
Kung binabalik yung karabi, kung binabalik doon, kami ka ngayon para sa tubig kenda.
Right, doon.
Kung binabalik tala malo ning karabi tabi.
Sila
me kani
iya.
Di ba tani?
Dono.
Kawal tu kan ibeng rabat
Iya, kanser ko demis.
Ento me kay tu may gori, start tu nang den remus tu kan lona.
Iya.
Start tu kan nang bulan den ni bubale. Sila tu ni tawlo ko na no babaro bertu nang oni.
Iya.
Si vamos a ver tu nang munga o tinando tu nang oni. Yo tambe kasaba lo salto merto mole kuribuli.
Gabi mo dos. Baru satu nga, merto bimpi nang waner to na bitsina ni kuribuli. Saya telemota. Na au be bondos. Apa bingona? Ngela mo sa rami tu kamu. Kalau kena lihat buning rere ni pakatawa ya. Mas abuno tasuna rere. Sama boleh sampai tu kalau kau bikono wasi. Musa sumpen mau buntu mau iko wasi. Boleh tali buntu na wasi. Ya benar sama lebih tekan bumer dan tono muhat. Dono mushare sti so badin na juga sti arto bimbi nang man arto sarung ke vita ma arto gai ocho chini rengona ono ocho sanga ni rengo ya sakit kun talo kavirin beina kerna oyo be bondo wele Melsi B Milika nantera na matagdi ko andro yan andro bulu benak Ratu Salimoni bula ko baki Arbena ka niku kimni
nama tu wala tiwa ki sa satu na mosi
iyo
kami bibir kana habek ni tambal
Warnau
be Mr. Tiwa kita wala bulu benaka
iya
oni ni binadu ben gravi epatiko
iya
bulu benaka wala ni benaka be kimni sa matiko mana matani ko
na kasar waliu ronga mataka ni mataka sa matal be kiro na bio kanigo sa kito na bio kanigo be tuma chume ka tamay debor Apa ke suka ide ngucu ko endo mataka ni ko. Eh, meta mo mataka ni mataka. Dono share, dono like, dono heart. Go kurmundu. Ikelo mata.
Nimbula.
Imode.
Iya.
Luciana, Andra. Joanna, Eps, Mary.